Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 3D modeling surface revolve command. So first of all we have entered this workspace in AutoCAD 3D. Then I will go to home page and create the any simple rectangle. So start this point and enter depress for horizontal dimension in 200. Then enter vertical dimension is 300. So like make this rectangle here. Look at this. Then how to get surface revolve? So it is the surface revolve command. So then I will go to first view here and apply the 3D isometric view. So this one has been create the rectangle in front plane. So I want get apply the surface revolve. This is the surface revolve command. When I get enter surface revolve command, and first of all I will select this whole diagram. So click this line here and press the enter, and this is asking point. So this one I get point here and this one is point, and go to enter. So here the asking if you make this particular point and circle to joint in angle. So see this here, make the revolve command, surface revolve command. For example, another one I have go to make another circle, another rectangle. I have go to create this one, and first of all I will go to surface modeling and apply the revolve command, and also enter and get this point, and have you make this point and another half semicircle and semicircle get used properly. So this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree, and I have go to 120 degree. So easy way have create the revolve command, and also I taken us again rectangle here and show you the surface here, and go to revolve surface, enter, and this point, and also go to this point. And here asking I will go to 120 degree. So this one is very easy to make the circle right now. See, this one has become surface revolve command. So today has completed the session right now.